Hello, I'm Alan. I'm with atmgurus.com. Today we're going to talk about replacing your ARGO 12-inch display glass. Let's look at your replacement glass. Your ARGO 12-inch display glass comes with the function keys and harness already mounted. The tools required for installation are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a grounding wrist strap. Let's remove your damaged display glass and replace it with a new one. Remove all harnessing from your docking board. There's one set screw that holds the docking board in place. Remove that one screw. Disconnect your main board and remove your docking board. Next, remove the paper from your printer, and there are 4 screws holding your printer in place. There are additional 4 screws holding your printer chute in place. Those need to be removed as well. Next, remove all your grounds. Please keep in mind where all ground straps are mounted. Remove the 8 screws holding your display bracket in place. Now you're able to remove your display assembly. When installing the display glass, make sure and support it with your hand on the front side. Center the display glass between the 2 sides and install your display bracket. Once you have your bracket aligned, install your 8 screws. Next, install your printer chute. Install all 5 ground straps. Install your printer. Secure your docking boards with the 4 standoffs and the 1 set screw. And plug in all your harnesses. Secure your wire loom. And you're ready to power up your ATM. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any problems, you can always call us at Triton Tech Support.